Hi guys. The simplest way to solve the quadratic equation for the value of x is to factor the quadratic. Set each factor equal to 0, and then solve each factor. Here are some exercises of how we solve the quadratic equation with factoring into the linear factors. Part 3. In videos Part 1 and Part 2, we factor the quadratics using the following formulas. This time, we will show you another method with which you can factor the simple quadratics to solve the quadratic equation. This method is as follows. A quadratic is a polynomial that looks like x squared plus bx plus c, where b and c are just numbers. For the easy case of factoring, we try to find two numbers, m and n, that will not only multiply to equal the constant term c, but also add up to equal b, the coefficient on the x term. Then we write x squared plus bx plus c equal to x plus m times x plus n. Exercise 6. Consider the equation x squared minus 4x minus 45 equals 0. This time, we need to find factors of negative 45 that add up to negative 4. Because negative 45 can be written as the product of 5 and negative 9, or negative 5 and 9, and 5 plus negative 9 equals negative 4. Then we use 5 and negative 9. So, we draw my parentheses with an x in the front of each. Then we write in the two numbers that we found above. Now, the factoring is x plus 5 times x minus 9. Set each factor equal to 0, and then solve each factor. So, the equation has two solutions, negative 5 and 9. The solution set is this one. Exercise 7. Solve 2x squared plus 24x plus 70 equals 0. We divide both sides by 2. Then we have x squared plus 12x plus 35 equals 0. Now, we need to find factors of 35 that add up to 12. Since 35 can be written as the product of 5 and 7, and 5 plus 7 equals 12. Then we use 5 and 7 for the factoring. So, we draw my parentheses with an x in the front of each. Then we write in the two numbers that we found above. So, the factoring is x plus 5 times x plus 7. Set each factor equal to 0, and then solve each factor. So, the equation has two solutions, negative 5 and negative 7. The solution set is this one. Thank you very much for your attention. Goodbye.